Getting mud and dirt in your truck carpet is the worst, and those factory floor liners are pointless. That's why you need Westin Profile Floor Liners. The Profile Floor Liners are an easy-to-install option as a replacement to your factory floor mats. Made from a durable and flexible rubber material, these floor liners are odorless, so you won't get that old tire smell. These liners can withstand heat, cold, and heavy loads, meaning they will keep their shape regardless of the stress they're put under. These liners are application-specific, so they fit snug and fit the contour of your ride's floor with no worries about cutting or them being too small. There is a raised lip around the edge of the floor liner to keep what's on the liner in the liner. The lip is perfect for keeping mud, water, even spills from getting on your carpet. And the Profile floor liners have a raised texture surface for stronger traction with entering and exiting the vehicle. If you're interested in purchasing the Westin Profile floor liners, check out our store locator on the screen or in the description below. And be sure to subscribe for new product videos every week. Thanks for hanging out, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.